I'm gonna try something different today. I'm about to head out. I'm gonna do some really chill laps out. Hope you can hear me. And I'm gonna attempt to do a little bit of instruction while I'm out there, so wish me luck. Hello.
Hi.
Going out for one blast.
Yep, go ahead.
All right, so it's obviously really, this is a pretty dangerous racetrack, I think, because if you go off, there's so much dirt. So the key here is to be patient, I think, at least so far in my experience, and try not to go over the curbs too much, because they can kick you out into the dirt. That wasn't a great line. I got a Civic coming up behind me. I'm going to give him the point by. Alright, I got 3 bars on the oil. We're going to race mode. Alright, here we go. This is the last turn. You want to try and square off this turn so you get a nice run off. Just like that. Brakes aren't warmed up yet, so I'm letting off early. You want to brake in the straight line here, so you can come as far left as you can, and then come out wide here, because it's an opening where the radius opens on that turn. Braking hard in a straight line as much as possible. Kissing that curve, compromising the line a little bit so you get a good line out of this, because the ground falls away. The ground falls away from you. Sorry, I can't talk right now. Tricky. Just glide it in to this right-hander. I hope you guys can hear me. And then here, split off a little bit, get the nose to bite. My tires are cold still. Brake hard here. Apex early. This is a double apex thing. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but this is so much fun. This is one of my favorite parts. You can think of that section as like a slalom. And here we are again on the last turn. That was a lap. Alright, let's pull it off. I said cool it off. But anyway, this track is a lot of fun if you can connect the corners well enough. And I'm really lucky right now, there's no one out here. Cool down lap. Like I was saying on my previous lap, you kind of go through here to compromise the line. Stay as far right as you can on that turn, and then as far as left here. And then that way you can have a more arc out of that turn, so you don't get launched into the dirt. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you could hear me. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.